Hello and welcome to another alternate mock review and again a Star Wars ship. This time the mock that I choose belongs to the replicable user zsoltom. On his profile he has a lot of alternate mocks and some of them can be downloaded for free. If we add the filter for set 75362, is it possible to see that he made 38 alternatives for this set, and this is why I consider him the master of this set. For this review I choose to build the Republic Arquitens class light cruiser that can be downloaded for free. Before we begin with this mock review, here is just some information about the starship. According to Wikipedia, this ship first appears in the Clone Wars series, exactly in the episode 9 of season 2. It is a kind of little Star Destroyer like many others present in the Star Wars saga. I assigned 4 stars in fidelity because the author did a great job. He also tried to respect the color scheme. I would like to remind you that when you work with a restricted amount and type of parts, it is not so easy. From both front and rear view, is it possible to recognize immediately the Arquitens? The model is very stable, can be turned and swooshed without problem. This means 5 stars to me. The instructions don't have any kind of personalization, but they are well made. There is the right number of parts for each step, and the camera is always oriented in the right direction, which means 4 stars. In playability I will assign 3 stars, because the turret can be moved up and down, even if this model is intended to be exposed and not played. In conclusion, I am very happy of the building experience of this mock, and I suggest you to go and visit the replicable profile of zsoltom. You can find the link in the description, and probably I will build some other mocks of him. So if you have any particular request, please tell me in the comment and I will provide to do it.